everyone, I'm Brian Johnson, and welcome to our newest listing at 2500 Burl Curve in Hudson, Wisconsin. This one-owner home just shines, is close to schools, and has easy access to all of Hudson's amenities.
I'm Mark Johnson. We're the Johnson Group with Coldwell Banker Realty. If you've been searching for a home with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, plus an oversized 3-stall heated garage, this is it. Let's take a look inside.
The main level has an open floor plan with granite countertops, beautiful oak hardwood floors, and walks out to the newly built deck.
Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and a private master ensuite with tile shower and soaking tub.
The third level offers a nice sized living space, gas fireplace, full bathroom, and laundry room. Thanks for taking a tour with us. You'll love the outside of this home with a large deck, private patio space, fire pit, and room for a garden.
The market's still hot. There's low inventory, and you can bet this Hudson listing will move fast. So reach out to schedule your private showing. For more photos and information, visit our website. And from all of us at the Johnson Group, have a great day.